Hey guys, it's Zacharyedward. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Cheeks Out collection by Fenty Beauty. They have came out with new cream cheek products and a new brush. I am so excited to try out this collection because we know I love everything Fenty Beauty. They can do no wrong usually. So I just want to try out these cream bronzers and cheek products. So excited. Okay, so I have 3 of the new Freestyle cream bronzers, part of the Cheeks Out collection. I have 3, 4, and 5 in Macchiato, Honey Glaze, and Teddy. And they're marked 3, 4, 5, so I'm guessing there's like 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever, of course, obviously there is. So I think Macchiato is gonna be, obviously it's the lightest of the 3, so I'm gonna try that one on today because I in Fenty can be from 180 to 200 depending on what kind of makeup I'm doing that day or how light, because my skin definitely fluctuates. Like this is my palest right now. Right now I'm about like a 185 or like a 190. So I think 3 will be the best for me today. I'm not gonna swatch the other 2 because I don't feel like that's gonna do anything if I'm just doing number 3. And then next we have the number 125 face shaping brush. I'm assuming this is gonna be for the cream contours. So I'm gonna use this for some cream contouring today. And then we have 10 new Freestyle cream blushes. There's 10 shades here. I'm not gonna swatch all of them. I'm definitely not gonna use all of them. I'm probably gonna use about 2 of them. This one called Strawberry Drip and Daiquiri Dip, number 5 and number 6, look like the ones that I would normally gravitate towards. So I think I'm gonna do one with my finger on one side and then maybe another with a brush, just so I can test out the formula and see how I like them, but we'll see in a second. So there isn't really a lot out right now about the Cheeks Out collection on Trends Mood or Fenty Beauty. I just know that they come out April 17th and it says hashtag Fenty Face Fresh. So I'm assuming that these are for more dry skin, that I'm assuming that you could probably use them on top of your foundation, under your foundation. I'm going to use the cream. I'm gonna use the creams over my foundation and then powder, and then I'm gonna use the cream blushes on top of my foundation and see how that works out. All right, so far this is what we got. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the color 200. Right now is my perfect match because I'm really pale right now. And then we have the Fenty Beauty Concealer. This is the color 185, just to lighten up any areas. But we have the new Cream Freestyle Bronzers. I haven't even opened, nice. Wow. And then we have the 125 Face Brush. I freaking love Fenty Beauty brushes. Their bristles are so soft, they're so pretty, and they're just like really nice and aesthetic. I'm just gonna grab the brush and then start. Place it where I normally would. Wow. First off already, that's a really good color for me. It's not super dramatic, but it's giving me the definition that I need. I don't cream contour really anymore because I already feel like I have good enough cheekbones that if I do it anymore in photos, it just looks crazy. Like I'm like the entire time, and I don't like that look anymore. But sometimes if I want to feel a little extra snatched, then I'll do it just so I have that definition in photos. But this looks really nice. It's giving me a little bit more of a tan too, which is awesome. I'm gonna go under the jawline here because I like a defined jaw. I really thought this was gonna look more, I don't know, like stripes, but it looks really blown out and nice. I like this. I feel like this brush is mainly what's doing a lot of the work, to be honest. It's a really nice brush for this. I just feel like this area of my skin is too big, like from here to here. So I normally like to take a little bit of bronzer and I'll put it right here, just kind of like sink this area in, because I don't like the way my chin matches my face. Like I kind of just feel like it makes my face look too square, I guess. So I always like bronze this area up. That might sound kind of dumb, but that's what I do. All right, so this looks really good so far. I'm so dewy. I know you can see all this texture, so let's stay on this side. This side is nice and clean, you know? But yeah, the contour looks really nice. It's very soft, very natural. I'm sure if I would use a darker color, I can make it look way more dramatic, but I like this effect. I like that it's natural. I like that it's soft. It gives me more definition to the face, but it doesn't give me like something too dramatic. So I think that I'm gonna powder this up and then I'm gonna go in with the cream blushes and I'll be right back. All right, so as you can see, the face is set. I used my Huda Beauty Sugar Cookie powder all over. I used my Marc Jacobs Tantastic tantalizer bronzer, just to like bronze everything up. This is normally what I feel like people would do. You would normally just do your entire face, set it after using a cream bronzer. You'd set everything. So now I'm gonna go in with these two little tiny baby cream blushes. They're so little. This one is Daiquiri Dip and this one is Strawberry Drip. So this one is Daiquiri Dip. This one looks really intense, but if you like oranges, this will definitely be your type of blush. And this one is Strawberry Drip. I can definitely see this being way more popular because it is more of like a peachy toned blush. I think I'm gonna start with this one and then go in with this one and see how I feel. All right, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm gonna start with my fingers on one side and just kind of like tap it. I'm gonna start here at the apples. Ooh. That's like the babiest flush of color. Like the babiest. Take more. It has this like weird texture to it. I thought it was gonna be like a thicker cream. It's kind of like, I don't know what it looks like. It kind of looks like, not like a stain, but it definitely gives you like some shine and some dew, but it's really like, in person it looks really dewy and shiny and you can see the color really well, but on the camera you can't see it like barely at all. I don't know why. Like on here it looks like a little flush, but in real life you can definitely see the color. And it's not really messing with the foundation that much, even though I'm using my finger and I have powder, it's still pretty smooth. It hasn't like picked up anything. It just has like a sheen. It's really weird. It kind of has like a pinkish, like a purplish sheen. Okay. I'm gonna pick up the contour brush. It has a little bit of the residue on it, but that's fine. Oh yeah, this definitely works a lot better with the brush. I got the same color payoff here with the brush as I did with this with all those taps. So definitely this brush is the way to go. And y'all know I like a lot of blush. I like to look like I'm sunburned. You can't see it on camera as well as you can in real life, because in real life there's definitely a lot of pink there. And it just looks like barely anything on camera. You can definitely see how much more sheen it adds to my face. So I don't know if I like that, but I do like the vibes. I'm gonna do what I normally would do too and just kind of throw it up here on my forehead a little bit. I kind of like to blend in my bronzer with my blush onto my actual skin tone, if that makes sense. It gives it just like a nice monochromatic, like neutral type look. And you can see like just only where I put the product is it shiny. So there's a lot of like dewy vibes going on with this. All right, so I wanted to stick to this like soft boy theme we had going on. I used the Fenty Beauty Yacht Life matchsticks. I put the highlighter on my nose here at the bottom. I put some right here at the tops of my cheeks. The blush came back. It's still a little dewy, but I think it fits the look. And then I used the Sweet Mouth Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb all over the lips because I didn't want them to be too harsh, but I wanted them to be really glossy. And then, you know, just threw like a pastel orangish color in the crease and then a little bit of brown on the top of the lid to keep it soft boy-ish. All right, so let's see how I feel about the products. Okay, so it says here on the Sephora website that the bronzers are $30. So I think, I'm gonna guess. So I feel like that the cream blushes, they can't be more than $25. There's no way that a cream blush is more than $25. It is Fenty and it is Luxe, but I don't think this little baby is more than 25. So what I'm gonna say is that for a cream bronzer, it went on well over foundation. It didn't look bad, and the foundation was powdered. It was dewy, but it's a cream, so it's gonna be dewy. But even when I put powder on top of it, it still looked nice. It didn't disrupt the foundation at all. It looked really good. It's just really faint on camera. I don't understand why it's not super strong on camera right now as it is in person, but I kind of like the dewiness of it. I think that these were intended to be for more natural use, and if you wanted to do something more intense, you could put a powder blush on top, or you could just really, really layer up this blush. So if this blush is $25 or less, then I would definitely have this in my kit, at least one color. I think Daiquiri Dip would be good because it is super intense and you could bring it down a little bit if you wanted to. But if you want something soft from the get-go, then Strawberry Drip, yeah, that's the name, Strawberry Drip would be really good for you. It's a pinky blushy tone. This is like a really orangey intense coral, but I like these. If it's under $25, I would grab it. All right, so now for Macchiato number 3, the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Contour. Okay, so if it's $30, I would say this is probably about $30. If the bronzer's $30, it gave me a really nice natural contour. If you wanted to go a little bit more intense, you could of course get a darker color. I like how this looks. I like that it's natural. I'm really into a natural complexion moment right now. It's just really what I like. I don't really like doing intense contours anymore. I love how dewy this is. I love how dewy this is. I like that this is matte right here and then all of this is like shiny and dewy. This looks good. For real life, I don't know how this is gonna look on photos yet. I'm about to take some photos, so I just like how natural it looks. I like that I have natural definition in my face and it's just not too much. This is a very good day-to-day product. I feel like if you have this in your kit, yeah, you could probably do this with a concealer, but I just like the texture of this product. So if this is $30, then I would definitely pick it up. I would pick it up for my personal use and for my kit. Also, going back a little bit, I would pick this up for my kit too. If you're a freelance artist, this would be really good for like a natural editorial, blushy, outdoors, dewy shine. This would be great. And then the 125 face brush, I would pick up like 3 of these. Like, I don't care how much this is. It has to be at least 40 something dollars. I feel like it'd be like $35 to $42 range. But I would pick up like 3 of these for my kit and for myself. Like, I don't know what it is about this shape and the bristles, but the shape of it, how soft the bristles are, how nice the entire thing looks, the way that it placed my contour and the way that it buffed out the blush, this brush is my new favorite. I love this brush so much. So much. All right, so I hope you guys like this review, this soft boy-esque tutorial and review on the Cheeks Out collection by Fenty Beauty. I like it. Everything that's in it, I really like the collection. I like the freshness of it, the dewiness of it. I just think it looks really nice. It'd be really good for daytime. Super nice for daytime, super good for photos and editorial. I'm about to go take some photos right now for the gram. I just made a TikTok using this, so if you guys like that, check out my TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this collection. Is this not your tea? Are you not about like the dewiness? Is this like way too shiny for you? Do you like more natural-esque products? Let me know, do you guys like tutorials like this that are more soft, or do you guys want to see me go more intense with something? Let me know in the comments below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. It's so much fun. I had so much fun making this review, and I'll see you guys in my next video.